Oh no! Marcy, this one's for you. We're doing a little guide training. And it is the scoop rescue. 30 years later. I'm still underwater. Yeehaw!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Good acting.
Thank you.
Yeah, Hollywood's calling.
Beautiful. Scoop rescue. We have an injured paddler. Looks like a bit of a shoulder injury. Okay, well done.
Wait there for a second. This paddle right here. No, not right there. There?
There you go.
Yes. Okay. Now I want you to just float yourself in. On your back's okay, but I want you to, once you get in past your foot pegs.
I'm touching the back.
Okay, now I want you to roll over. Okay.
Yeah!
Nicely done.
Beautiful!
Ow!
The scoop rescue for the injured paddler.
Oh, no good.
Nice.
Bloody nose.